If you don't know how to make peanuts, come closer. We are glad to have you here in Healthy Blondness. Welcome. Today we'll be showing you how to make peanuts step by step. Peel out your groundnut from its shell. Set aside. Add a spoon of salt, tablespoon of salt. Add your hot water. Stir together. Stir until it well combines. Put in a basket to sieve out the excess water. Spread in a tray and set aside under the sun. Wet it dry properly. Add a cup of flour, a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and nutmeg. In another bowl, mix 2 eggs and a cup of sugar. Whisk until it's well combined. Get a bowl, add your groundnut, pour in like 20 ml of egg, stir until it's well combined. Add your powdered mixture bit by bit and shake until it combines with your groundnut. Go in with your egg again. This time around you're going to be adding like 30 or 40 ml. Stir and add in your mixed powdered ingredients. Stir until it's well combined. Check for the ones that mesh together and you can separate it. You can see it's being separated here. Make sure it's properly separated. If not, if you add it to the fire, it's going to come out that way. Now pour like 2 liters of oil into the fire. Allow to heat. When it's properly heated, add your peanuts. Add your nuts into it. It fries. Allow it to fry until golden brown, just as you're seeing right here. And your peanut is ready. Ready to be served and ready to be marketed. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe. See you in our next video.